So this video I am making because I'm pretty much just really sick and tired of the overly complicated ways that my professors teach derivatives. So here's the problem that we're going to be working with. This actually has a solution right there, but we're going to ignore that and just go ahead and work through this problem. So we can see that this is a swap. Okay, the other info we can grab from this, we know that Vandelay Industries is going to be using the fixed rate. They're offering that to DD Banking Inc. And let's see what else. Okay, so it's 720 days for 2 years. So for that, you're going to do 720 divided by 2. That equals 360. So all of our days are going to be divided by this 360. So now we need to come and figure the present values. So we start with this first day and rate. Okay, so we do for this problem, it's 1 divided by 1 plus the rate. The rate for the first one, 4%, 0.04, and then we do the days. So the first one has 180 days. 180 over 360. So to solve this, you're going to have to do the bottom first and then do 1 divided by whatever you got there. And that's going to equal 0.9804. So now we're going to go ahead and do the second time. Time 2 would be 1 divided by 1 plus the rate at time 2, 3.5, 0.035. Then we're going to do that, and 360. So 360 divided by 360. If you solved that, it will give you the value 0.9662. Okay, now time 3. 1 plus the interest rate, which is 4.2, 0.042, over the time at that time is 540. If you solve that, it's going to give you 0.9406. And then for the last time, we have that interest rate of 4.4. Our time is complete. It's 720 days. And if you solved for that, 0.9191. So now we need to calculate the fixed rate of the swap. So we need to add all those PVs together. The formula for that's a little more complicated than what we've been doing with these PVs. So you're gonna do 360 over 180. You're gonna switch that first one, okay? That's gonna give you 2, but that's not the end of that formula. So that you're gonna times by 1 minus that last PV. Then you divide that by all of these PVs. So it's going to be 0.9804 plus 0.9662 plus 0.9406 plus 9191. And sometimes with your calculator, if you were to like plug this initial formula into your calculator, you might get that a wrong value. So it's best to break this formula up and just do this portion first, do this up part, the down part, and then go ahead and plug that all into your calculator. So once you solve the top, it's going to be, oops, sorry. And that's going to equal out to 4 times but if you plugged it into your calculator the way that I just told you to, you know, breaking it up, it's going to give you some portion of that. So you're just going to have to times that value by 100 to get the 425. But you know that this is going to end up being a percentage. And so that's the answer to this. Just because I'm nice, I guess I'll go through the other problems here. So why is this swap valued at 0? So a swap always has a value of 0 when you enter or initiate the contract, because it has to be a fair value for both members, the buyer and the seller. So it's going to have a 0 value. And then suppose that immediately after the swap is initiated, a catastrophe occurs that makes interest rates increase dramatically. Okay, so if the interest rates were to increase, that would actually benefit the fixed rate payer. And if we go back to this problem, we can see that Vandelay Industries is offering the fixed rate right here to DD Banking Inc. So they're going to be the ones that would benefit from this. There's more to this. Nope, there's not more to this problem. That's it.